Hello, I'm Oleg Shevtsov. In this video I'll show you how to translate your customer-facing portal and let the portal speak your language. Customers ask about the time to market and the required level of effort. Let me explain to you how we design the process to be fast and low effort. The tools and methods are designed for efficiency. Here is how it works. 1. You express interest in translation. 2. We set up the language in crowdin and provide access, usually within 1 or 2 business days. 3. You translate English phrases to your language. 4. We build a test version, typically ready within a week. 5. You review the portal and approve the translation on crowdin. 6. Approved translations are integrated into the portal with the next release. 7. While the portal develops, your translation team automatically gets notified of any new strings to translate. Let's use Thai as an example. The translation took only 2 weeks. Now addressing your concerns directly. Time to market. The entire process can be completed in as little as 2-3 weeks, depending on your team's speed and whether they use AI or translate manually. We've streamlined every step to ensure rapid deployment. Level of effort. Thanks to crowdin's intuitive interface, translation is straightforward. You don't need technical expertise, just language skills. Most customers report spending only a few man-days to translate the entire portal. This collaborative effort is fast and ensures high-quality, culturally appropriate translations. We already support German, Ukrainian, Brazilian Portuguese, Thai, demonstrating the effectiveness of this process. What languages do your end users need? Comment below and let's make your subscribers' experience even better. Remember, localization isn't just about translation, it's about making your end users feel welcome, no matter what language they speak. For more information or to start translating the portal into your native language, contact our support team. Thank you.